Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by performing straightforward hardware checks before opening software tools. Unplug and replug wired keyboards firmly into the same USB port to confirm a connection. Try a different cable and swap to a known working USB port to rule out a single port fault. For wireless keyboards, check battery level and replace batteries when low or pair using the receiver. Inspect connectors and dust. Use compressed air to clear debris from between keys carefully. If a key is physically stuck, gently pry the keycap with a flat tool and test again. Restarting the computer resolves many transient driver and USB issues, so reboot first and test the keyboard after a full restart. Open Device Manager on Windows and update or reinstall keyboard drivers to correct corrupted driver files. Use the on-screen keyboard or enable safe mode to determine whether a third-party app or driver is blocking input. Check language, regional, and keyboard layout settings to ensure the correct mapping is active. Run system updates to install patches that improve USB and keyboard stability from the operating system vendor. If the built-in keyboard remains unreliable, connect an external USB or Bluetooth keyboard immediately to restore productivity. Enable accessibility features like the on-screen keyboard or sticky keys to type while you troubleshoot hardware. For laptops, you can remove and replace individual keycaps or attempt a key switch replacement if you have spare parts and skill. If many keys fail, plan a keyboard module replacement or professional repair, and check cost against keyboard or laptop value. Back up important files before any hardware replacement or system-level work to protect your data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.